Are you wondering if you can open a bank account online in France? This answer is yes. It's easier than you think, especially with online banks like N26. Not only do they offer all the service you'd expect from a traditional bank, but they also make the process quicker and simpler. Now, if you want to open an account with N26, here's how to do it. First, download the N26 app or head to their website. Then just fill in your personal details, email, and shipping address. After that, you will choose the type account you'd like to open. Next, you will need to confirm your identity with a quick video verification. Once that's done, you're ready to add money to your account through a bank transfer. And the best part, you can start making contactless payments immediately using your virtual MasterCard. Sending money abroad, N26 has you covered with fast, easy, and reliable international transfers powered by Wise. Opening a standard account is completely free. You'll get your own virtual MasterCard, which you can link to Google Pay or App Pay or extra convenience. And if you want to more control over your finances, N26 offers the N26 Smart Plan, which includes spaces, sub accounts that help you save your anything from small projects to big investments. And if you're wondering about a local IBAN, N26 makes it super easy. Once you have opened your account, you will get a French IBAN, so you can pay and be paid just like a local. And there are no hidden fees. Plus, if you need help, N26 offers customer support in English. Make it even easier to both to settle into your new home in France. So what are you waiting for? Opening a bank account in France has never been this simple. Thanks for watching.